What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick tutorial, spending a couple minutes talking about a cool add-in that I found where you can actually insert a mini calendar into your spreadsheet. So to do this, you can just go to the Insert tab, and under the add-ins grouping, you're going to see an option where you can say Get Add-ins. Just click on that, and you're going to take it to the store for add-ins. Just search for calendar, and this is free. So click Add, and then click Continue to agree to terms. And now we have a mini calendar in our spreadsheet. And this is great too because we get a calendar view of things. So just say we wanted to put like last week Wednesday in cell F6, for example, date. Last week Wednesday, we can just highlight over the cell that we want to insert a date in, and then click the date, and it's there. Unless you want to do the next week after that, and the next week after that, and you can easily just insert dates with the calendar view. You can adjust the size so you can have like a mini calendar. You can also drag this to adjust the space that the box takes up, but it really doesn't impact calendar size. So you can change your calendar theme. There's, well, not many themes, but you can toggle through them. Find which one you like the best. You can change your calendar system, so it defaults to the US system right now, but you can cycle through them, see which one you meets your needs the most. You can also toggle week numbers, so clicking this, there's a week number right here. So you can see it's like a week number column, so you can easily say, hey, what's the 30th week? For example, we can say, oh, the 30th week is in July. It just makes it much easier to do stuff like that. And we can also even have dates highlighted within the calendar. So I'm going to add a couple more dates. And to have dates highlighted in the calendar, you can just click on the range of dates, then click on this right here. And as you can see, it's going to confirm, select a range containing dates, yes. As you can see now that's highlighted, which is great because if you're like, oh, what days do we have meetings on, for example, you can just have the dates for the meetings and you can just have them highlighted in your calendar, and that can make it much easier. That's it. I hope you found this quick tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day.